Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to design a character using AI. So, let's delve right into it. To kickstart your creative adventure, open up Starryai. You will be greeted with a spectrum of options. Begin your creative process by heading to the Create section, the heart of artistic exploration. Shaping your character's essence commences with a descriptive prompt that you furnish to the AI. Remember, the more intricate your description is, the more unique your character becomes. For instance, I will switch the style to portrait and provide a prompt like a brave fantasy hero with a mysterious past. They possess a magical artifact, wear intricate armor, and have a determined expression on their face. Now, let's tap on Generate. And lo and behold, our character emerges. Feel free to explore the variety of styles available to give life to your character's persona. With Starryai as your creative ally, characters spring to life in ways beyond imagination. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.